Most people get this wrong when checking their PlayStation gift card balance, and that's why they think their money is missing. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your balance is almost always there, but users are just checking it the wrong way or on the wrong account. In this video, you will learn exactly how to check your PlayStation gift card balance in 2026, step by step, and avoid the common mistakes that confuse thousands of users. Let's start immediately. The fastest way to check your PSN gift card balance is through your PlayStation Store wallet. On your CS5 or PS4, go to the PlayStation Store, then move to your profile icon at the top right. Click on it and select Payment Methods or Wallet. There, you will see your available funds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users like Alex open the store and expect to see a big pop-up showing gift card history. But PlayStation does not work that way. Your gift card does not appear as a separate entry. It simply becomes wallet funds. So if you are looking for a gift card section, you will not find it. But here's the problem. If your balance shows 0, it does not always mean the card failed. It could be an account issue. Make sure you are signed into the same PlayStation account where the code was redeemed. This is the #1 mistake users like Jake make when switching between consoles or family accounts. If you are using a browser, you can also check your balance by logging into your PlayStation Network account online. Go to Account Settings, then Payment Management, and check your wallet funds there. This method is helpful if your console is not updating correctly. Now here's something most people miss. If you recently redeemed the card, the balance might take a few minutes to update across all devices. The system sometimes delays sync, especially during peak traffic hours. Logging out and logging back and often forces the update instantly. If you still see no balance, check your transaction history. Go to your account purchase history and look for wallet top-ups. If the gift card was successfully used, it will always appear there, even if the balance display is delayed. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can sometimes show outdated wallet data, making it look like your funds disappeared when they did not. To quickly summarize, your PlayStation gift card balance is found inside your wallet section, not as a separate record. Most issues come from wrong accounts, sync delays, or misunderstanding where the balance appears. Once you know this, checking your balance becomes fast and stress-free every time. If this helped you understand your PSN balance better, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more simple PlayStation fixes and gaming tips in 2026.